My name's Ben, and I'm going to show you what I did to my dock edge whips, boat whips for mooring your boat. What I did to add a little roller on the end of them, just so that the rope doesn't fray and that it can move up and down without any issues. If you're like me, I went and bought these, and I didn't realize, obviously I bought the most cost-effective ones, not realizing that the upgrade is adding a little roller on the end so that the rope doesn't just fray over the top of a bolt. And so I was like, well, I got to fix that. And I went out and found a really, really easy solution that I want to show everybody out there. So if you've got the same thing and you're like, you want to fix yours, this is really simple. But I'll show you what I got here first, just to make sure we're all on the same page. And hopefully this will help you out. So what I have is I went and bought, it says dock edge right here. So they're the dock edge mooring whips. So it comes with a bracket that you attach to your dock. You put these whips in there, and then it's supposed to keep your boat away from the dock and protect it from any dings or dents that you might get, or just having to use buoys all the time. When it showed up, all it had was this nut and this screw. That's it, right here. There was nothing here. So what I did was I went and bought patio door rollers. That's all it is. This thing right here was probably like $3. It's already geared, so it's already set up to rotate. I didn't even have to use the nuts or the bolts in here. All I did was pull this bolt out, pulled these out, slid it in there, and tightened it down. That's all I did. Simple fix, and way cheaper than buying the upgraded option that they provide for you. And this will fit perfectly. It rolls, it's geared, and it should work great. So if you're out there and you're just having issues with your dock edge whips and your rope fraying or whatever, I read a few kind of comments about how their ropes frayed off and they broke over time or whatever. This might be a good option for you out there. So hopefully this helps, and will make your boat and your boat whips and your rope last way longer. I'm hoping that's the case. I am new to using these, so if anybody has any comments out there on pros and cons of it, please leave them. As you can see, I still have the straps on them, but it's winter where we are. And so this spring I will go put them on our dock and hook our boat up, and hopefully they will work great, especially now that I got some rollers on the end of it. So anyways, just a quick recap right here. Patio door rollers, go get those. At least on my whips, my dock edge whips, they fit perfectly. And all it took was a wrench and an Allen wrench. That's it. That's all I needed for tools. Took me about 5 minutes to put it together, tighten up the bolts again, and I was all done. So hopefully that helps. Again, leave some comments if you've gone through this process before, if you have any pros and cons to these dock edge whips in general, because I would like to know myself.